Hi, so in this video I will show you how to install and configure EON-XR on your Mac OS device. I have a Mac working in here. Fact is I already have EON-XR installed. That's not an issue. So let's start with logging into the platform. While we log into the platform within our user account, we should have ability to see the downloads. Downloads consisting of EON-XR version for Windows and for macOS. Downloading the macOS is easy. I'm just going to save it on my desktop, and in a moment that file is available. The next step will be to install it. I've placed the installer file directly on the desktop, not in my folder. Opening the installer. In some cases, we might need to confirm that this application has been downloaded from the internet, and it might be unsecure for our system, but in this case, you can be sure it isn't. And we can drag and drop it to the application. If the previous application is installed, you can always replace it. And in about 5 seconds, as you can see, the application should be ready to use. So the application is right now been added to our application area, and EON-XR is here. I can close this. I can also eject the installer itself and delete the file. So EON-XR will launch right now. As you can see, I have a warning saying that this is trying to connect to a core EON-XR.com. If I'm okay with that, I will go with open. This isn't current version is 9.029, but a newer version coming in soon. And we have ability to sign in to the EON-XR from within this window. So I type in the password and signing in, and that's practically the beginning of use of EON-XR on your Mac OS. Thanks very much for watching. In the next video, we're going to cover some additional topics.